How to add motion tracking in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can add motion tracking in Capcut on PC and Mac. So let's dive in. So first you have to import any project that you want to work on, and then you have to go to this text option and click this plus sign, and then just add the text that you want. I'm going to go over here and then just add the text that I want. And here you can see that this is the text that I have added. Choose the font of your choice. I'm going to go with Arial, and then you can readjust its size and you can place it wherever you want it to be. And once you have adjusted these, you have to go to this tracking option and you have to turn this motion tracking on. Now you have to just click start over here, and you can choose the direction over here and then wait for the tracking to be done. It might take a little time, so just be patient. So here you can see that the tracking is completed. I'm just going to go back over here, and now let's see. So here you can see that I have added the motion tracking over here. You can choose the direction for this over here. Just go back to the tracking option, choose the direction like forward, or you can go with backward and then just click restart. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.